Want to bring players together under one name in Roblox? Communities are the new version of groups, and today I'll walk you through exactly how to create one using the Roblox mobile app. It's quick, simple, and a great way to build a fan base or a game support hub. Stick around to the end so you don't miss any key setup steps. Start by opening the Roblox app on your phone. Now, head to the bottom right and tap on the More button. That's the three dots icon. Scroll down until you find Communities and tap on it. This will show you all the communities you're currently part of. To create your own, tap on Create Community. Now go ahead and give your community a name. Make sure it represents what your group is about. You can also add a description here, though it's optional. Next, you'll need to upload an emblem. Tap on the emblem section, then choose Photo Library to upload one from your device. I'll go with the dog icon here. After that, choose your joining method. You can let anyone join instantly, or choose manual approval if you want to approve members one by one. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now look at the bottom right. It will say 100 Rox, because that's the fee to create a community. If you're happy with everything, tap Purchase, and that's it. Once it's created, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your new community. From there, you can configure settings, manage members, or update your community details anytime. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.